Hi, welcome to this video about a quick overview of how TireConnect integrates with Workshop Software. TireConnect is a really cool system that allows you to choose a tire for a specific make and model of vehicle and add it onto either your booking or your job. What I'm going to do is just jump into the job center and I'm going to choose an existing job. You could do this on a new job, it could be a booking, it could be anything like that, and away you go. So what we've got here is I'm just going to open this up, and what we've got is we've actually got this Kia Sportage, right? So we've already hooked that up, for example, into Carfax, and we found all the details, so we know the make and model of the vehicle and we know all those details. If we scroll down, this button here is the TireConnect button. What this does, this now jumps into the actual TireConnect program, and it will go and search for all of those particular tires specific for this particular make and model of vehicle. So once it goes and finds them, it just goes and does a quick search. So it needs to search its database, it just takes a few seconds. And then what comes up is it comes up with some top recommendations. So you've got a Firestone, a Toyo, a Kumo, etc. You've got all the details here. And what you can do is you can scroll down and there's all sorts of other details as well. So it shows you the main ones at the top. But you can choose ones from the top, you can choose ones from wherever. And you can do things like, okay, I'm going to go with maybe the Toyo for whatever reason, and we're going to go see the out the door price, right? And so we can do, this is essentially a quote for a customer if you like. So what I can do here is you've got optional services. So you've got the tire protection plan and wheel alignments and so on, right? So you can set them up yourself and away you go. So what we've got here, we can go and return this back into Workshop Software. So we just simply click on the return button. So the customer said, yep, that's fine, I'm happy to do that. You might be doing this on an iPad or some sort of tablet. You might actually show the customer those particular wheels if you want, up to you. But what you can see here is you've got the Toyo tire on there, you've got the tire install and balance, the recycling, the valve stem. They've all come across over to Workshop Software at the right price, at the right details. All of that sort of info has come right across into Workshop Software, and now you've got your job with all of that info. You can simply save that, you can finalize the job, all that sort of stuff. If you want to see the videos on how to do the jobs and all that sort of business, go check that out. There's many other information about that. I want to show you the integrations though, because if we go into Automotive Integrations, you can see TireConnect. And all you need to do is you need to get the key from your actual TireConnect application. So that's simply gotten just from inside that application. And then you can choose the actual types of products or labor that you're going to actually put on for various different things. So we've got a product for tire install, we've got a product for tire recycling and for valve and for other things as well. So you can see that this is a fully fledged integration into the TireConnect system, and it's so super simple and easy. As you can see, that was in real time, just took a few seconds to add a tire onto this particular job card, or it could be a booking, and it was specific for that Kia Sportage. It was the right tire size, of course, all that sort of stuff, and it was really that simple. So that's a really quick overview. Thanks for watching, appreciate it.